upuan ko. So, akala ko walang nakalagay doon. Akala ko clear, walang bagay na nakalagay doon. So, pag upo ko, nagulat na lang ako. Ano to? Nagtawanan lahat. And then, it was my first incident na nagalit talaga ako. Inuus ko talagang galit sa kanila. Yung mga shop staff talagang hinahagis ko yung basurahan, hinahagis ko yung mga walis, lahat yung mga cleaning materials, hinahagis ko. So that was the first time they watched me or they saw me very, very, very angry talaga. So, pero the positive side of that, nagiging close kami ni Quijano. Because after that incident, humingi siya ng sorry. So at that time, close ko talaga yung bata. So parang naka-learn ko siya from his mistake at naka-learn din ako from my mistake because I have also my mistake. So doon, unforgettable talaga yun. Kasi talagang nag-wild ako. Talagang yung classroom namin parang may bagyo. Parang nadaganan ng Basta yun, unforgettable yun.
Ma'am, yun lang po lahat, ma'am. Salamat po sa inyong oras at panahon. Paalam.
Welcome.